Dual male connector for stable signal. Threaded connection for a secure and reliable connection. Dual way female to female connector with knob. SMA-KK male to male female connector with knob. Dual way female to female connector with knob. Metal housing for strong shielding and excellent electromagnetic interference resistance. Precision machine coaxial construction for performance compatible with a variety of cables. Strong adaptability for diverse scenarios and flexible compatibility. Various styles and specifications available. Welcome to order now.